Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm coloring my hair for you. I've never done this on camera. I have talked about hair color before, but I am going to show you. Thank you so much to the people at Madison Reed for sending me my very own color kit that I can do at home. And this is the shade they picked out using their professional colorists, their team. I basically took a picture of my head for them, showing them my roots, showing them my gray, so they could really get an understanding of the kind of coverage I needed and the right shade. And so they sent me Veneto Light Brown, because as much as I am a blonde, there is sort of this dark shade that my hair grows at the roots from. And you know, no matter what my colorist does, my hair lightens. So I'm totally fine with sort of a deeper shade, and this is going to be more cool. So hopefully no brassiness, no orange, which I have no problem with because I fully have faith in Madison Reed and the integrity of their product. If you haven't been familiar with them before, they are an online hair color company. It was started by Amy, is the founder, and she named the company after her daughter, Madison Reed. How cute is that? But basically, it is affordable at-home color that is salon quality, and it is free of harmful ingredients like phthalates, parabens, ammonia, formaldehyde. And it includes ingredients that we love like keratin, argan oil, and ginseng, stuff like that. I have my instruction sheet. I am ready with all the barrier cream for my scalp. I've got my cap. I've got my latex gloves, because don't think you don't need them, you need them. And this is a very simple process. Usually there's like a bowl and a brush and this and that. And you guys, I have foiled my own hair. This is how I love DIY. I mean, you've seen me paint my eyebrows on. I love to do stuff myself. I'm going to section my hair, and my hair is greasy. So basically I am going to shower after this. I'm going to hop in the shower to rinse it. So that's why no makeup, nothing. Yeah, it's not pretty. You can see now, this is sort of pulling back the curtain, so to speak, how gray my hair is on this side. That's kind of why I have it parted on the other side. This is really about your own comfort level. So personally, my hair color doesn't bother me whether I'm dark blonde, light blonde, strawberry blonde. It's the amount of gray hair. The gray hair to me just makes me look kind of tired and scraggly. So I always feel more polished when I don't have grays showing. So I have very sensitive skin. Uh-oh, did I get this in my hair? I'm not supposed to get it in my hair. It smells good. Ooh, it smells nice. I'm gonna put on the gloves. Puncture color tube with its cap. Squeeze color into applicator bottle. Replace and tighten cap, and shake for 20 seconds to blend the cream. Since I color my hair and I am just interested in coloring my roots, I am doing the directions for option B, which is touch-up color versus all-over color. Work your way down in rows about 1/4 inch apart, one section at a time. Use half the mixture. So this is to sit on my roots for 30 minutes. It smells so good. It is not burning my eyes, or like there's no vapors or anything like that. I'm making sure my this whole thing is covered, and I'm going to put the cap on Okay guys, see you in a minute. Okay guys, so my 30 minutes are up. Let's take a peek. Ooh. And I am going to add some more color. It says to, I can see where I'm still a little gray right there. So I'm gonna put the gloves back on. It says to take the remaining mixture and put it all the way down to your ends, and I don't want to do that. I still want my hair this color on my ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the remaining color and mix it in a little more and give myself like 10 more minutes, because it does say for stubborn grays do an additional 10 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give myself 10 more minutes, just like it said for stubborn grays, and I will show you before I shampoo. Okay, and the cap goes back on. Okay, additional time is now up. Oh, and I got some on my forehead. Ooh, just dark, but I'm liking it because no gray. So you guys, I'm going to hit the shower. I'm going to use my Madison Reed Color Safe shampoo and conditioner to wash this out. I'm gonna get ready for the day, and I will see you in just a minute with new hair. Okay guys, I am back and I am so happy with the result. Like, I think the color is perfect and I love how easy it was. I love that there's no smell. My hair still doesn't smell. It was so easy to wash out. I didn't have any annoying, dark patches on my skin. My only suggestion, if you're gonna do this, is don't do the rookie mistake and be afraid of applying generously. So I had almost a half a bottle of color left, probably because I didn't use it on the rest of my hair, which I'm totally fine with the way it worked out. I love just using it on my roots, and there is no giant demarcation of color from dark to light, but I needed to put on more because I can see just a few areas of gray that somehow snuck through. But I think that is not the effectiveness of the product. I think that is user error, and I definitely recommend Madison Reed to anyone who wants to color at home, who doesn't have the time or budget for salon color, or you are just in a pinch, you need a touch up between your next visit. Totally recommend it. I love what the colorist recommended for me, the light Veneto Brown. I love it. So thanks, Madison Reed. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep looking at my color if that's okay with you. And oh, it's so much better than it was. So much better. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.